Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install PopOS 24.04 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to PopOS official website and download. It is pop.system76.com. Click on download. See here, PopOS 24.04 LTS is available for various computer systems. See, recommended requirements are 4 GB RAM, 16 GB storage and 64-bit processor. For this PopOS 24.04 LTS, computers with Intel or AMD or NVIDIA 10 series or older. Okay, but for these versions you must have the computers with NVIDIA. Okay, so in this video I am going to download and install this PopOS 24.04 LTS with these specifications. Okay, so click on download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders, and this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on this drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to drop down, select this ISO, click on open. See, once we selected this ISO, see, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Ubuntu because this is based on Ubuntu. Then OS version 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unlimited installation. Then come to this virtual hardware. Here I am giving memory as 4 gigabytes. Then number of safe equals to. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then right click on this one and select start, then start with GUI. Okay, so click on start. See here, install PopOS 24.04 LTS. Then select the language and click on this select language of type United States. Then select keyboard layout. I am going to select English US. Then select. See here, installation types clean install or custom. So this is the fresh one. I am going to select this clean install. Then click on this clean install. Select drive. We have only one. Select it. Then select this erase and install. Now we have to create our setup user. I am giving username as R2 schools, and this is user full name and this is the username. Then click on next. Now set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Then click on next. If you want to encrypt, you have to keep the checkbox as selected. If you don't want, unselect it and click on. Or if you don't want to encrypt, click on this don't encrypt. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart device. Provide the password and hit enter. See, welcome page. If you want to turn on the screen reader or magnifier, you have to turn on like this. I don't want any one. So click on next. Get connected. Click on next. Select the language. Click on next. Next. Time zone. Select the time zone from this list. Personalize appearance. See here we have different options. You can select any one of them. Okay, I'm okay with the default, so click on close. Now open terminal. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed PopOS 24.04 and see here its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian. Okay, and its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay. Now verify the list of the default applications that comes with PopOS 24.04 LTS version. See here, these are the applications. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. What is the password of the sudo user? Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is going to install only this package and upgrading these packages. Type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install PopOS 24.04 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.